Hi, Kelly Broadbeck here at the Teledyne FLIR booth at AUVSI 2023. And this year, I'm very excited about our new drone product for the commercial market. This is for public safety, infrastructure inspection, mining, etc. It's called SIRAS, which stands for Secure Infrared Aerial System. Three things to know about SIRAS. First, it's secure. It doesn't connect to the internet. All the data is stored on an SD card on the drone, so no one can take your data. There's no worry about where your data is going to go other than to your own SD card. The next thing to know, the imagery is fabulous, especially the infrared. This has a Boson 640 by 512 thermal camera on it. People love it, particularly the guys in law enforcement, giving us a lot of praise about that. The last thing to know is the price. MSRP less than $10,000. Get in touch with our friends at DSLR Pros. They're our exclusive distributor. They sell to other dealers as well. They will hook you up with a demo and your own SIRAS system. Last year we released Hadron 640R. It's been a great seller for us. The news this year is we're releasing 3 development kits, which can serve as either reference software for your own integration, or you can use them directly in your integration. The kits are for the Qualcomm RB5, the Jetson Nano, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. So get a kit, get a Hadron, and integrate it into your drone or your robotic system.